Hallo Leute, mein Name ist Melissa und willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. Heute wollen wir ein bisschen darüber sprechen, was man sagen kann, wenn man Deutsch nicht gut verstanden hat. Auf English, hi everyone, my name is Melissa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk a bit about what you can say when you have not understood German well. So let's get started. Also, the first thing you can say is sorry, but I did not understand. Auf Deutsch, that is, sorry, aber ich verstehe nicht. Sorry, aber ich verstehe nicht. The second thing you can say is I do not speak German well. In German, you can say ich spreche nicht gut Deutsch. Noch einmal, one more time. Ich spreche nicht gut Deutsch. Now, let's say maybe they've said something and you just want to hear it one more time, and then you'd like to say, could you say that again, please? Or could you please say that again? In German, you'd say, können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Could you please repeat that? Or could you repeat that, please? Now let's say they've said something and you want to ask them if they can say it a little bit slowly, and you'd like to say, could you please say that more slowly? Auf Deutsch, you could say, könnten Sie das bitte langsamer sprechen? Noch einmal, könnten Sie das bitte langsamer sprechen? Okay? Are we together so far? Okay, so the next situation is they've said something, but maybe you're that type of person that understands German more when it's written down. And so you want to say to them, could you please write that down for me? Auf Deutsch, you could say, schreiben Sie das bitte für mich auf. Noch einmal, schreiben Sie das bitte für mich auf. Could you please write that down for me? Okay, and then you'd like to ask them, what does that mean? Okay, what does that mean? In German, you could say, was bedeutet das? Was bedeutet das? What does that mean? Okay, and then let's assume that you've come to German and you want to ask someone something, but you just want to make sure they also speak English, and you want to say, do you speak English? You could say, sprechen Sie English? Sprechen Sie English? That's the more formal way. If you want to be informal, you'd say, sprichst du English? Sprichst du English? So, but since you don't know this person, it's best to just say, sprechen Sie English? And let's say they said something and you want to be like, I'm sorry, or I'm sorry, you know? Then you can just simply say, es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. Yeah, that whole thing means I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid. Or maybe, okay, someone has come to say something to you. Maybe they are asking you for directions and you panic and you want to say, I don't know. Just, I don't know. Then you'd say, ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht. Or now let's say you've given the directions, or they've given you, and you want to say, all right, you could just say, in Ordnung. To simply remember this, just think in order, like everything's in order. So it would be in Ordnung. All right, so alles ist in Ordnung. Everything is okay. Everything is in order, basically. Or maybe you want to ask something, or something, you've asked something and you're just like, never mind. Then you would say, mach nichts. Macht nichts. So, macht nichts. Never mind. Macht nichts. Never mind. Now let's say, for example, you want to say, I have no idea what you just said. Like, you've spoken to me, good for you, but I have no idea what you have said. You could say, ich habe keine Ahnung, was Sie gesagt haben. Ich habe keine Ahnung, I have no idea, was Sie gesagt haben. What you have just said, or what you said. Okay. And lastly, if you just want to be just real simple and just be like, huh? Or what? Or what? What? You could just say, bitte? Like, bitte, like, sorry, or Entschuldigung, you know, excuse me. And then you should be good. Hopefully. And that brings us to the end of this German lesson number 2, which I'm actually really enjoying because, like I say, the more I research on these videos, the more I'm learning and revising. And if I can teach you something, then it's a win-win situation. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really would appreciate it. A like and a comment and the notification button would also be, you know, kind of cool. And if you have any suggestions for any videos you might want, just let me know in the comments box and we'll do it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.